standing on the throne. He not the act of patrol. He might train you the soul, but God is in control. Pray for you. Happy birthday, Mary Marie Ford. Your name is now Evangelist Ford. I give God praise. You need to put the fun in the sun because we're going to get some souls for Christ. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Remember to be one life. Happy birthday. Thank you so much. President White. I saw your dress. Oh, thank you so much. Oh, never do bad. I mean, never know the song, you know.